Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2019 Nissan Navara, stock number 6499. It's run from the 4th 2015 to the current shape. It has a YS23 DT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a YS23 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.